guys, it's grammar time again. And so today, Wednesday, April 29th, you are going to be learning about simple, complex, and compound sentences. And it says a simple sentence has one subject and one verb. A compound sentence consists of two simple sentences joined by a comma and a coordinating conjunction, such as and, or, but, or so. A complex sentence joins a simple sentence and a fragment that cannot stand alone with a subordinating conjunction such as although, because, since, or when. So I'm going to show you to make it hopefully a little bit easier to understand. So a simple sentence contains one subject and one verb. So the example sentence, Mina excels at science. Mina is the subject of the sentence and excels is the verb. This only has one subject and one verb. So that's called a simple sentence. Compound sentence, however, has two simple sentences. Let me fix that. Two simple sentences. And they combine them using a coordinating conjunction, which a way to remember your coordinating conjunctions is the acronym FANBOYS, which stands for and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. So you can combine these two simple sentences using one of these words. So for example, Mina excels at science. That was the simple sentence from up above. So she may become a doctor. She may become a doctor is a simple sentence all by itself as well. She is the subject and become is the verb. So that sentence right there could stand alone all by itself and make sense. So there are two sentences in this sentence, but instead of making it two simple sentences, they combine it to make it a more interesting sentence. They've made it a compound sentence. They've used one of the fanboys. And in this sentence, it makes sense to use the word so. And you have to have a comma after the first sentence when you're using a coordinating conjunction. Mina excels at science, comma, so she may become a doctor. Okay? Now, a complex sentence, a little bit different. It has a simple sentence in it as well. But then it has what's called a dependent clause. It's a sentence fragment that could not stand by itself. It would not make sense by itself. So, Mina may become a doctor because she excels at science. Here's our simple sentence from before. Mina may become a doctor. And that makes sense all by itself. But this second half, because she excels at science, that is not a complete sentence and could not stand alone. Like I could not walk up to you and say, because she excels at science, and it wouldn't make sense to you. So this part of the sentence is called a dependent clause, and it's dependent on this part for it to make sense. You can combine a simple sentence and a fragment by using what they call a subordinating conjunction, which are the words although, because, I have although twice, so excuse me, let me take that out, since, or when. Although, because, since, or when. You can combine a simple sentence with a fragment as long as you start it with although, because, since, or when. So when you're trying to identify a complex sentence, look for one of these words inside of it, and that will tell you that it's a complex sentence, as long as it has a complete sentence in it as well, a simple sentence. So when you are going to be doing practice, you're going to be identifying simple sentences, compound sentences, and complex sentences. So when you're looking for compound, look for a fanboy, one of these words, and two simple sentences. And when you're looking for complex, see if you can find a simple sentence and one of these subordinating conjunctions, although, because, since, or when.